and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to have a bit of a look around the Promenade, the town centre, because it looks like there's something happening near the Blackpool Hotel. So we're going to have a check that one out. So come and join me on this bit of a walk around on this bitterly cold day. Like I said, we're just going to start near the Blackpool Hotel, because when we have a bit of a venture down, we see all these vans, and I just asked one of the security guards, and apparently they're doing some filming in Blackpool, and I heard it was for Netflix. I'm not too sure what film or what programme it is for, but apparently they're doing some filming for Netflix. I might be totally wrong, but that's what I've heard on the grapevine. So we're going to have a bit of a look and just see if we can see anything a little closer. So we're just, like I said, near the Blackpool Hotel, and you can see there's plenty of people just observing, just watching. So I'm not too sure exactly what is going on, what they're filming for. But let's just branch down a little. You can certainly see the film crew all along there. So it'd be interesting to find out exactly what they are filming for. So there we go, there's the film. I don't know what the film is for, but yeah, certainly all happens in Blackpool. Like I said, it hosts many events, and even, like I said, doing a bit of filming is certainly great. So I think it's like they're moving everybody back. Like I said, certainly great how Blackpool hosts amazing things, as well as film crews and all sorts of things. So like I said, we'll leave this one here, and we'll certainly look forward to whatever it is they are filming. I'll try to find out, but I did ask a few people, and apparently it's quite secretive. So there you go. So it's like they're sort of celebrating, a bit of clapping a moment ago, and to be fair, you know, I'm not sort of the one that sort of mentions anything on this channel, and yeah, the production person sort of came up to me and said, "You are not allowed to film here." She said, "You are not allowed to film." And I thought it was absolutely sort of disgusting and rude. You're in a public place. I'm not the sort of person that goes, sticks a camera in somebody's face, as you very well know if you do follow this channel. And she was right arrogant, she was. She really thought she was somebody. Thinking you can dictate to somebody, a member of the public, about where to film and what to film. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. So there you go, that's my little rant over with. So we're just near near Bowie's, and you can see all like the catering for that movie. What they're filming in Blackpool is just in that car park. That's all the catering vans, and there's a little hotel apparently, and it's called Bowie's, which is just there on the corner. And apparently they allow dogs in, so if you do visit Blackpool and you got a pet, they certainly allow the majority of pets in there, which is fantastic. A lot of people didn't know, and that's Bowie's, just on the Promenade. So like I said, if you do want to visit and you're worried like you got that dog or a bird, then give them a call or check in with them, and they should be able to help you. And just a little bit of update on the Strand Hotel. Remember, this one got burned down. We've covered this from day one, and you can see plenty more mattresses, sinks. It was like the kitchen now is even the kitchen sink has been ripped out, and like I said, they're certainly progressing with this. So it's only the front really what is yet to be demolished, but just looking around, you can see, like I said, everything. Even the kitchen sink has now been ripped out. Oh, like I said, just a little update just for a sort of a minute or so, like I said, just in regards to this one. And I'd imagine, I mean, I said by the end of the week, so I'd imagine certainly by the end of next week it would have gone. So what we're going to do, we're going to move on forward and just head along the promenade, possibly have a quick look, see what the developments are at the courts and the police station. So it's a bit interesting, that film crew. It'd be interesting to see exactly what they're filming for. I wonder if we'll ever know. That's the question. But there's also like a jet, which was flying over. So it makes you wonder, was that something to do with the film set? Certainly makes you wonder. So what I'm going to do is head on down a little the promenade, pop over to the courts, see if there's anything happened there since the last time we filmed. And you see there's the old blues and twos, the ambulance is rushing somebody. And just a bit of a shout out as well to one of my followers, Pearl. She's not feeling that brilliant, so I hope she recovers very quickly and sort of gets well very, very soon. So the promenade looks quite quiet today. It's just like midday on a Saturday, and you can just see there's not many sort of people around, but the weather is certainly bitter today. It was nice a couple of days ago. I thought, oh, that's it, the change is coming, spring's here. But apparently we're in for another cold snap, so make sure you keep yourselves warm. And hopefully it's only a short-lived thing, and spring is just around the corner now. So I'm just gonna make our way, like I said, to the courts and to the police station. Just see, like I said, if there's any update on that one. Like I said, the work is supposed to be completed by July, so they have got quite a large time scale. So at the moment, it's just sort of ripping everything out, make sure everything's ready for the demolition. But like I said, at the moment, Blackpool is there's a few people walking around, but like I said, it is quite quiet. And like I said, it's very, very cold. It certainly is, and like I say, it's roll on springtime. That's what I say. Roll on the spring when you the lovely sunshine comes out. But you can just see, like I said, it's quite busy, but it's not too busy, if that makes sense. So we just approached near Central Pier, and you can see the pier is now open because it's half term. So a lot of people are taking advantage of that and just enjoying a bit of activity. Like I said, plenty to do on Central Pier. They've got all the rides, the big wheel, little amusements, all sorts of things. And like I said, it's fantastic seeing that one back open now. So I just arrived at the Bonny Street courts and the car park and the police station yet again. And it's just a bit of an update. To be fair, there's nothing going on, so we won't drag this part out too long. But you can see, they're certainly sort of moving on, shall I say. It looks like they're doing a lot of ripping out and probably sort of removing stud walls and all sorts until the main demolition actually starts. Like I said, they have got until July to complete this project, and I'd imagine once they get going, the heavy machinery comes in, things certainly will start motoring on. And who remembers this one? It's the Sheraton Guest House, and this was caught fire many, many months ago. We did actually document this one, and it looks like it's been boarded up, secured, but nothing has gone on with this one. And yeah, another one many, many months ago got caught fire. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of a walk around, like I say, exploring little different areas and little updates in regards to what's going on in Blackpool. So like I said, we're just near Central Pier once again. Just gonna have a bit of a walk back along the promenade, see if there's anything going on, which I probably sort of doubt it this time of night or this sort of late evening. But you can see, like I said, all the main little food shops are opened up, and there used to be a little bar there, the Flagship, and that did open up a while ago for like sort of a couple of weeks, and then it sort of closed down again. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen with that one, but that one used to be quite popular, and that's the Flagship bar just near Coral Island. And like I said, I wonder if it'll open up back in the summertime. So I do hope you enjoyed this bit of a walk around. Like I said, there's the film crew in Blackpool, and a bit of an update on that hotel and the courts. Not much really going on with the courts. I imagine it's all sort of behind closed doors and a lot of ripping out, but it's certainly great just to be kept up to date. And like I said, it's a little bit cold today, as we just pan the camera around to the right. You can see the tide is out, And what a fantastic view that certainly is. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy the videos, and any comments I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.